Our fish is scaled. Look at that. Nice. Okay, we're gonna skin it now. We'll go right from back here. Just like that. Throw in the garbage. Back here from the back this way. Cut this part off. And then behind the scales, behind the gills. And then we'll go from this way, right here. Yeah. There. All the way back to there. And we're gonna skin it here. Yeah. This way. And we're gonna go feel the bones up this way. Here's the bones. Go down, skin it. Down like this. And skin it down. Down. We'll do the other side. This. Same thing you did to that side. Find the gills here. A little bit thawed out. Took it out of the freezer. Watch this way. See if I get on this side. This way. There's the ribs. Follow down the ribs. Whoops. Cut right through. All right. This way. Okay, then you want to go You'll cut this way. Forgot to cut off the scale. There. Okay. There's our dry fish, folks. Right there, smoked fish. Right there. Now we gotta cut our lines in our fish. It's supposed to be right there. Okay, we'll cut it. This part's fat, so you want to cut here. And then like this. That's all fat. Yeah. Then we'll cut lines in a V this way. Down this way. This way. See that, folks? Not bad for your first fillet of the season. In the same way this way. See? Yeah, we want to go an angle. This. Oh, my knife sharp. Okay, gentle. I guess I have to be a little gentler. Okay. And a V. Okay, right there. Look at that, folks. Our whitefish, our smoked, our dry fish. Then you want it to fold this in like this and hang it like that. Yep. Not bad for the first whitefish of the year. I think that's how you make whitefish. I think by looking at it, I think I'll cut it. I'll cut it and just lay it on, because I got a rack. I can lay it on there. Okay, let's go look at the smokehouse. We'll hang this.